To access Atomic Wallet, you first need to download and install the application on your device. Atomic Wallet is a decentralized cryptocurrency wallet that supports over 500 assets and is available for Windows, Mac OS, and mobile devices. Start by going to the official Atomic Wallet website and clicking on the download link for your operating system. Once the download is complete, follow the installation instructions to install the wallet on your device. After installation, launch the Atomic Wallet application and click on Create Wallet to start the setup process. You will be asked to create a strong password and a seed phrase, which is a list of words that will be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is essential to store your seed phrase in a safe and secure location, as it can be used to access your funds. Never share your seed phrase with anyone, as this can compromise the security of your wallet. Once you have created your wallet, you can start adding cryptocurrencies to it. To do this, click on the Add Token button and search for the cryptocurrency you want to add. You can also use the QR code scanner to add tokens quickly. To send or receive cryptocurrencies, click on the Send or Receive button and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to double-check the recipient's address and the amount you are sending to avoid any errors. Atomic Wallet also provides a built-in exchange feature that allows you to swap one cryptocurrency for another. To use this feature, click on the Exchange button and select the cryptocurrencies you want to swap. In addition to its core features, Atomic Wallet also provides a range of security features to protect your funds. These include two-factor authentication, encryption, and a secure seed phrase storage system. By following these steps, you can easily access Atomic Wallet and start managing your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your seed phrase and password safe to ensure the integrity of your wallet.